Hi everyone, it's Matt Barnes here. I'm the lead trainer at Safety in the Market, and in this video I want to talk to you about why you want to trade. Most people come into trading with this idea that they're going to make a lot of money, but making money is not a clear enough goal. You need to consider things such as, do you want to increase your existing income, or are you trying to replace your existing income? Do you want to buy a house? Do you want to retire early? How much money will you need to achieve all of these things? Okay, so get clear on your why before you start out trading. Most people come into trading with great expectations, but I'd caution you to beware of setting the bar too high too early. David Bowden, for example, the founder of Safety in the Market, bought a house from 2 weeks worth of trading profits in February of 1988. But he'd been trading heavily for several years by that stage. He had a lot of experience in the markets and he'd developed a lot of skills. Okay, so you need a history of your own trading before you'll know if your goals are achievable or not. So when you set your goals, aim high, but be realistic depending on your existing skill set and the amount of experience that you have in the markets. So let's go ahead and set some goals now for your trading. I'd like you to set yourself 2 short-term goals to be achieved within the next 12 months. And these will be smaller goals, so potentially things like buying a car, paying down some credit card debt, or going on an overseas holiday. It can be whatever you like, but make sure you get clear on setting 2 short-term goals that are going to make a positive difference to your life. We all come into trading with different circumstances. Think about 2 goals that are going to be important to you. Once you've done that, go ahead and set yourself 2 long-term goals. Okay, these are your bigger picture goals, things like replacing your salary. And while you're replacing your salary, you might like to go ahead and give yourself a pay raise as well. So get a clear dollar figure in mind there. You might be wanting to buy a house. So work out where you want to live, what kind of house you want, how much money you're going to need there. You might like to donate money to charity. So again, think about the difference that you'd like to make and the amount of money that you're going to need for that. Whatever your goals are, it's important that you set yourself clear, specific, and meaningful goals, because ultimately your goals for trading are going to be what drives you on to your trading successes. There's an old saying that when the why becomes large enough, the how takes care of itself. So take some time now to get clear on why you want to trade, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you'd like to see more free content, make sure you click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with our latest videos.